My name is Atanas Mrejazi. I'm the teacher of Ecole Sainte Rita. It is a school located in Gasabo District in Bumbago sector. It is a private school.
I have 10 years old. In the campaign of washing, I have heard that to wash it prevents some disease like bacteria. And the last one have said that the pressure of being alone, it is bad. And they say how we can prevent that. And you have said how to wash our hands. You have give us 6 steps of washing our hands. And I appreciate you for saying for us and visiting us. You are welcome.
My name is Ketia. I am 12 years old. I am from Ecole Sainte Rita. What I have learned about this, I have learned how to wash hands very well, and it has helped me to prevent some disease.